I love to get clicked on camera.
I could see that. Is there any weirdest compliment that you've ever gotten?
Playboy is a word. Face say I look like one of them.
Compliment?
That's what I'm saying. That's the weirdest compliment, right? You put ice, milk, 100 ml of water, 30 grams of protein, pinch of salt, pinch of cinnamon powder, and cocoa powder. Put all these things and shake it. It's like heaven.
Welcome to Juice, your very own fashion and lifestyle magazine, hosted by Ashika Vinod.
Hi guys, today we have Yashpal Singh, also known as the Fit Vogue, with us, who is a fashion and fitness influencer. Hi Yash. Good to have you here.
Hi Ashika. Hi. Thank you so much, first of all, for having me on this show. I'm really excited for this because this is the first time I'm being interviewed.
It's also my first time interviewing.
Okay.
So it's a first for the both of us.
Okay.
Let's hope it goes well.
Okay.
So I think everybody would want to know, why did you choose fashion and fitness, and how did you decide that you wanted to become a content creator?
Okay. So being very honest to you, like now I see people, they always like most of them, majority of people wants to be a content creator.
Yeah.
But back then when I started, there was nothing in my head.
So when did you start?
I started, I think 8 years back.
Wow.
So that was not just exactly like a content creation.
But that's when you started.
Exactly. मुझे कोई पैसे नहीं कमाने थे, मुझे कोई फेम से फर्क नहीं पड़ता था, मुझे कोई इन्फ्लुएंस कुछ नहीं करना था. There was just like I love to get clicked on camera.
I could see that.
Yes, I just wanted to be on camera. That's all. मुझे बस कैमरे के आगे होना होता था. तो I started doing my photo shoots. And it went viral, like few of them. I used to get comments on my post. I used to get DMs on my Instagram ki you look good. I have kept this picture as wallpaper of mine.
Oh, wow.
So this was kind of a feeling which I never got from anyone. कभी ऐसे compliments ही नहीं मिले मुझे. तो that gives me a very good feeling कि हाँ यार ये तो अच्छा कर रहा हूँ मैं जो भी कर रहा हूँ. So that was the thing.
But that being said, is there any weirdest or compliment that you've ever gotten?
Playboy is a word जो बहुत ज़्यादा लोग relate करते होंगे, है ना?
Compliment?
That's what I'm saying. That's the weirdest compliment, right? मेरे को लोग ये कहते हैं face से I look like one of them. I don't know, but my life is very sober, very very sober.
Yeah, I think it just happens when we just look at a good-looking person, we assume that they are a playboy.
Exactly. That's what my whole concern, because I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't go to parties. I'm none of these. Like, it's still, I don't know. चेहरे पे दिखता होगा शायद. I don't know.
So what's your typical day look like?
My typical day looks like very normal.
When do you wake up? Because you are also into fitness, right? So
yes, I'm into fitness. I work as a model also. I'm doing my content creation and I run my own show also, as you guys know.
What's the show?
I already ran it 3 months, like 1 month back.
Oh, right. Man vs. Life.
Yes. So, see, my life is very different. जैसे रात होती है तो लोग रात को सोते हैं, but I don't sleep at night. It's very weird. You guys don't have to follow it. बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं है follow करने की.
So what do you mean you don't sleep at night?
So see, like my morning shoots are there, like 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock मेरे morning shoots होते हैं, और मैं रात को midnights में workout करना पसंद करता हूँ. Like I like to work out in midnights, 11 बजे, 12 बजे.
So you have a gym that you go to?
So there is one of my friends' gym in Mumbai. So we used to work out there, like just our close friends. That's all. No one.
I always want a gym where it's just
a private kind of a gym. Exactly. So वो shoot gym करने के बाद मेरा ऐसा होता है कि मैं सो के shoot पे जाना, that is not me. I can't do that. I have to like be
keep
very
your energy up.
I feel like I am very sharp when I don't sleep. I don't know what maybe वो मेरी lifestyle.
Yeah, you've got that energy that keeps you going on.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that's why I do my gym and workout, and उसके बाद मेरा day actually start होता है रात से. So that's kind of a weird, but मैं रात को अगर shoot पे gym जा रहा हूँ, gym करने के बाद मैं घर पे आता हूँ, I take my meals, I prepare for my shoot. फिर early morning 5 o'clock I go out and I do the shoot and everything. Then I come back and afternoon at around 12, 1, 2, then I sleep. So that's how it works.
But now you are a fitness influencer as well. So is that something, people usually say you need 8 hours of sleep, you need to wake up at a certain time, sleep at a certain time. So then what's your take on that?
I honestly believe that this is true. When you sleep well, your body functions well, your inside body knows. हम बाहर से देख लेते हैं हमारी skin कैसे दिख रही है, how I feel. But body के अंदर क्या हो रहा है, you never know. So one thing I highly recommend you guys, that always go for your blood test every 6
Guys,
months.
yes.
Every 6 months go for your blood test कि आपकी body में चल क्या रहा है. Like I do in 3 months, but आप 6 months में एक बार कर सकते हो. That is for sure, because you will know कि अंदर से क्या हो रहा है आपकी body में. And coming back to your question, I mean, सोना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है, but my sleep cycle is very messed up. I already told you, but yes, sometimes when I don't have work in the morning or still, like I sleep around 8 hours, 10 hours. कभी-कभी मैं 12 घंटे भी सोता हूँ. But जब मेरा shoot होता है, तो I sleep around 5 hours, 6 hours. So हाँ, चल जाता है. Like I feel like हाँ, मतलब it's kind of working for me.
Yeah.
So
I believe that in the end of the day, you need to fix a schedule that works for you.
exactly.
Now I'm sure a lot of girls must be, like you do have a great physique and you also are a great fashion style. Because I think, for us women, we love a guy who dresses well. And not a lot of men put in that effort. So my question to you is, so now if you have a date over, what fitness challenge, or what is the most romantic workout that you'll do with her?
I'll do squats. Being
Squats.
very honest, yeah. I am a guy who loves to take care of my partner. Like I am a person. If I love you like you owe me. That's my statement. मैं अगर तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ तो मैं फिर I go all in. I don't see कि red flag है, green flag है, blue flag है.
You're
I
okay
just
with
go,
all the flags.
I go all in.
But if you were to say this is a red flag, what is it?
So my red flag for this is that अगर आपका partner honest है, loyal है.
Oh, okay, yeah.
अगर loyal है,
That
एक
is-
चीज जो
That
loyalty.
is definitely. I mean,
That is-
I think it goes without saying.
And loyalty के साथ एक और चीज आती है, which comes with I think respect.
Yeah.
Respect बहुत मैटर करता है, because प्यार कभी कभी कम होता है. That is very
And I've
true.
always said that I will, even if love is not there, respect. should
Exactly,
be
for
there.
sure. Because क्या होता है ना, जब हम अपने पेरेंट्स से प्यार करते हैं, हमारे सिबलिंग्स होते हैं, हमारे रिलेटिव्स होते हैं, कोलीग्स होते हैं, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स होते हैं ना. आप घर पे हो, आप अपने मॉम डैड से बात करते हो, आपके अग्रीमेंट्स डिसएग्रीमेंट्स होते हैं, बट इफ यू डोंट हैव दैट रिस्पेक्ट ना,
Yeah.
तो और कभी भी ग्रांटेड नहीं लेना चाहिए. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
So I think we did know a lot about Yash. Now let's go into a quick rapid fire round. So Yash, you're not gonna get a lot of time to think. Yeah,
Okay.
whatever comes into your mind, I want you to answer.
Sure.
Okay, so your first question is, okay, what's the last thing you googled?
Last thing I googled.
Yeah.
I think my Amazon shopping list.
Oh, boring.
Boring, very boring.
Okay, what is the weirdest food you've ever tried?
Weirdest food. Oh, that was the first experience which I had sushi. And
I do not like it.
They gave this. I don't know the name of that particular thing. That is a very small, tiny thing to eat with
No, but any weird combos you eat? I see people eating Maggie with curd.
Maggi with curd. No, I don't like those things. I can't mix my all 3-4 vegetables in one. I can't do
but
that.
people do that. Okay, the next thing is, who's your ideal workout partner? Is it your best friend or your girlfriend?
See, if I would have my girlfriend, that would be great. But अगर best friend है तो भी चलेगा, because I would lift more.
What's your favorite protein supplement or shake?
So recently I got introduced by this. This is very quick,
What is the
but no, I know the protein. Like the protein brand was GNC,
Okay.
but the product I don't know. We should take the name or not. But the flavor was cookie and cream.
Oh.
But the weird thing which I explored and I loved it, that you put ice, you put milk, 200 ml of milk, 100 ml of water, 30 grams of protein, pinch of salt, pinch of cinnamon powder, and very weird, but you love it. And there was one more thing, that is cocoa powder. Put all these things and shake it and put one oat biscuit or anything and just crush it and put. It's like heaven. Like
Okay.
I am drinking, like I'm drinking protein shake since 8 years now. But that is the best protein shake I've ever had.
Okay, how many dates have you ever been on?
I think 3.
Three. That's it.
That's it. Right. My numbers are very less.
Guys,
I'm so
girls, I think you guys should cash on this.
I mean, I'm very
Maybe
sorry.
start asking him out on a date.
Yeah, I'm very much.
Okay, do you have any pickup line what's your pickup line? Go to pickup line if you have one.
मेरे कोई पिकअप लाइन नहीं है. I just go and quickly मेरे को अगर आप अच्छे लगे, I'll approach you directly.
What about arranged marriages, love or arranged? What if your mom brings you a
See,
woman?
my family was very conservative,
Okay.
and I mean, but I feel like love marriage is something which you should do.
So I think let me also ask you a quick couple of fashion questions.
Yeah,
So
please.
you have to pick between this and that, yeah?
Sure.
Okay, would you wear a suit or casual wear?
Casual wear, 100%.
Do you like neutral tones or do you like bold colors?
Neutral tones.
Do you like patterns or solids?
Solids.
High-end fashion
Sometimes
or street
patterns
style?
because I'm wearing patterns.
High-end fashion or street style?
I would say street style most of the time because I would love to be in my comfort.
Okay, cardio or weightlifting?
Weightlifting, 100%.
So now let's go on to a quick, let's get some tips from Yash.
Okay.
How do you maintain your style?
Okay. So if you are very new to fashion and if you want to, look good, so I highly recommend go for neutral colors first.
Yeah, monochromes.
Yes, monochromes. Just go for black t-shirt, white t-shirt, grey jeans, black jeans, blue jeans.
Yeah, I think guys,
that's
like,
all.
it's
And
a
you can just shift
wardrobe,
around.
yeah.
It's a basic yet classy outfits. It will look, at the end of the day, it will look 100%. It will look amazing on you.
Yeah, I think
no
this
matter
goes
what.
for men, women, anybody.
Exactly. It doesn't matter what's your color
Yeah.
tone or what's your skin tone. It doesn't matter. So that is one thing for sure. And second, recently I'm seeing that baggy is so much in
Yeah.
trend, and like old money is so
Street
much in
style,
trend.
oh yeah, old money.
I'm also still like right now I'm wearing baggy kind of outfit. But what I feel like is that straight fit regular jeans is still the best in the market. Like if you pair it with a basic white t-shirt or a basic black t-shirt and a
staples.
watch and
Yeah.
a cuff. That's all. You just don't need anything because it's not about how you look, it's about how you carry yourself. That's the
Yes.
best thing.
Hey, and what's your favorite, one, I want you to give me your favorite activewear brand and one like your casual wear brand.
See, casual wear, if I have to say, I'll say Paluk because I am promoting them since I think 6 years now.
Okay.
So I have to say because I am wearing it in a day-to-day life. And if you talk about activewear, it doesn't matter because I thrift a lot. Because if I love something, I'll go for. I love Turkish pants because they are so much baggy in the gym. I feel like like very comfortable, very relaxed. And in activewear, में मैं एक दो और brands हैं जैसे like if you talk about budget friendly, then go for this HRX. HRX is the good brand in shorts and stuff. And yeah, I mean pretty much about it because I love to go thrift a lot.
Yeah, I think it makes sense, guys.
Yeah.
That's always sustainable. And thank you so much, Yash, for coming here and
Thank you so much. Thank
giving
you so
your
much.
valuable tips. And thank you guys for watching us. And see you soon with the next episode. And like, share, and subscribe Your Studios. Thank you.